Hello everyone, I'm back. First I need to tell you that this video is a little bit shorter than I normally have because I lost 5 minutes of filming because my phone broke down. But I still want to show you what I have filmed because it's a large part of the process of making this painting. So back to the painting. This time I'm going to make a painting with the colors someone suggested on one of the Facebook groups, and her name is Jenny Harfley, and she made a similar painting I did, that is in video number 25. But she also used some other colors like teal and peacock blue green of Lores. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the colors she just suggested, and also the purple rain and the silver and the angel white I'm going to use, and then see what happens. So the clear coat is on my canvas of 40 by 40 centimeters. I painted it turquoise green, and I'm starting with the purple rain of Lores. I'm gonna be using a lot of Lure pigments, and I've added a silver of Resi Tint Plus of Eli Gem and a Bombay ink teal. I'm starting with a puddle pour. So if you want to know which colors, you need to look at the beginning of this video. I've listed them there in a slide. Little bit of white, the angel white of Lores. And that's the sapphire blue, but then the powder, not the paste. Very nice color, very sparkly. Little bit of silver, not too much. And that's the dusty teal of Lores. And now I'm heating it. Tilting the canvas, first to the corner and then back to the other corner. And I already see that again I didn't put enough clear on the canvas, because then you get the stripy flows. So I still didn't learn of my previous paintings, so in the next one I need to use more clear on the canvas. A second puddle pour, again the purple rain of Lores, forming a little bit of cells in the white. The peacock green, blue green, also very sparkly. Little bit of silver. Again the sapphire blue. Oh no, oh no, this is the Bombay ink. Sorry. That's the sapphire blue. Very deep color. Heating it again. and also the part of the clear, because I want to tilt it off that way to that corner. And tilting it to the corner. Also here you can see I don't have enough clear on the canvas. And you can see it also in the turquoise green. I have bare spots there. So a lesson learned. The next painting I need to use more clear. The cells are getting bigger in the white. The dusty teal of Lorez on both sides. Sorry for my friend's bulldog again, he is snoring a lot. The peacock blue-green. And I must say that the products of Lorez are working very well. The pigments, the powders and also the pastes. And they sell very good. You can see it in the white and in the sapphire blue. A lot of cells. Heating it up a little bit. And now I'm gonna tilt it again to the corner. And also here, not enough clear. I'm a little bit disappointed in myself because I should have known better. So I put more resin, more color on the canvas. Heating it up. And tilting it again. Now to the other corner. Again some Purple Rain. Heating it. And tilting it to the upper corner. Tilting it back to the center because I want to keep the cells. Yes, and I'm almost at the point that my phone broke down. So I want to thank you all for watching. And if you want to place a comment, do it under the video or tips. And you can also find me on Facebook. Then you type in Just Paint. And if you want to send me an email, then you need to wait to the end of this video. And I will see you next time. Bye.